Aloha everybody. This is going to be a very different video than what's normally on my channel. For those of you that have been here since the beginning, I have a sincere thank you. Infinite gratitude goes to you. You have been here for years now and you have seen me go through all of these transitions. I'm being 100% transparent with all of you. That is my goal. That is my mission in life, is to help others. And you know, social media is no joke. You know, I've recently gone full-time with this and it's been really interesting what I'm experiencing right now, and to be honest, I'm not happy. I feel so caught up in all these, you know, trolls and haters and things that happen, and it's all come to a head and I need to address it because there are some serious changes coming to this channel. And don't be alarmed, this is going to be a very positive thing. I'm listening to the messages from the universe and I'm taking action. There's nothing to be alarmed here. I love veganism. I love everything that I do in my life. I feel like I've just gotten really just far. I've changed my content. I've changed because of social media, and I don't like that. I want to be me. For people that know me in real life, you know, the real life me and the person on social media are two different people, and I don't like that. I want to be transparent. I want to be myself. I want to help you guys. I want you to understand that we are infinite beings. We are here for so much more than what you might think. And some things happened, you know, yesterday on my YouTube channel. I don't want to get into the negativity. I have a copyright strike. Some things happened. I take full responsibility. It's just the line has been crossed, and you know, my family means the world to me, and I need to protect them, and I need to really do what I can to support them and yet live in line with my values. I'm not gonna do things, you know, just because people are hating. Like, you guys don't understand what's happening on the creator side of when you make content. Like, I put out so much content and I do so many positive things, and you would not believe the amount of hate and brainwashing and just sincere negativity that I get, all right? And I'm not saying this to, like, you know, I'm gonna change everything and just conform because all the haters. That's not what I'm saying here. It's, I feel like I've lost the message. I feel like I've lost the essence of why I started making YouTube videos and decided to get on the grid, you know, in the first place. And to be honest, I'm not happy with the results. I'm not happy with the person that I've become. So I need to do something about it. And what am I gonna do? I'm gonna circle back to what works. You know, I can't fill all of you in on the details right now because I don't even know what's gonna happen. All I can tell you is change is coming. So I'm gonna do a complete refresh here, you know, and I understand that, you know, a lot of you might leave. I also understand that a lot of you that are here for the light, and you're here for higher purpose, and that's really what I know deep down inside myself. So I'm going to continue to make videos. I'm going to continue to put myself out there and be transparent about my life and share everything with you. Things have happened and it's getting really crazy. I mean, especially Instagram. You know, social media has changed so much. There are unique things happening on every social media platform that are completely unique to that platform, and it's so interesting once I've gone down this rabbit hole. And we live in such a digital world now, and I've sincerely lost the essence of real life. You know, I need to circle back to real life and what works, you know, what makes me me. And you know, that's like farming and getting into the land and using sustainability, having clean food, clean water. All of these simple things are just so overlooked, and people just want to spew all of their, you know, opinions onto you and turn you into something that you're not. You know, I'm not going to let that happen. I'm going to rise up above all of this. I have to take action though, and I have to protect my family. And this is something that, you know, like I said, now that I've gone full time, like, I'm completely dependent on this. I'm completely dependent on these videos and the money I make from it and certain things, and I just don't like that. So I'm gonna circle back into real life. I'm gonna do real things in my real, tangible reality. And I'm gonna bring all of you along for the journey. This is something that it's kind of hard to explain.